Welcome to the channel. Today, we're delving deep into one of nature's most incredible secrets, the secret life of trees. We'll be uncovering the science behind how entire forests communicate, share resources, and protect one another through a vast underground network nicknamed the Wood Wide Web. It's a story of collaboration, family, and a hidden intelligence you may have never known existed. So, get ready to see the forest in a completely new light. Let's begin.
Have you ever walked through a quiet forest? It might seem silent. You might hear the wind rustling through the leaves, a bird might sing a song high up in the branches. But what if I told you there is a whole other world of conversation happening right beneath your feet? The trees are talking. They are not using words like we do. They have a secret language all their own. It is a language of whispers. It is a language of signals, a hidden network that connects the entire forest. This world is ancient, complex, full of surprises, showing us that trees are much more than just tall, silent giants. So, how do trees talk? They don't have mouths or vocal cords. Their secret lies underground. Beneath the forest floor, there is a complex and sprawling network. Scientists have given it a wonderful name, the Wood Wide Web. It is like the internet for trees. This network is not made of cables or wires, it is made of living things. It is a partnership between the tree roots and vast, intricate webs of fungi. These fungi are made of tiny thread-like structures called mycelium. They spread out for miles in every direction, connecting the roots of one tree to the roots of another and another. This underground network is incredibly dense and far-reaching. Just 1 teaspoon of healthy forest soil can contain several miles of these fungal threads. They wrap around the tree roots, forming a bridge between individuals. A single tree can be connected to dozens of others, with the biggest serving as hubs. The communication that happens on the Wood Wide Web is a beautiful dance between trees and fungi. This relationship is a type of symbiosis, which means both partners benefit. The fungi cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis like trees can. So, the tree gives the fungi sugar, the energy-rich food it makes from sunlight. In return, the fungi act as an extension of the tree's root system. The tiny fungal threads are much finer than tree roots, so they can reach into tiny pockets of soil. They find water, nitrogen, phosphorus, which they then pass back to the tree. It's a perfect trade. But this partnership goes far beyond a simple exchange of food. The fungal network is the medium through which trees send their messages. When a tree wants to send a signal, it can release specific chemical compounds from its roots. These chemicals travel along the fungal threads to other connected trees. It is like sending an email or a text message. The receiving tree can interpret a chemical signal and understand what it means. It might be a warning, a cry for help, an offer of support. This underground communication is happening all the time, a constant flow of information shaping the life of the forest. Communication in the forest is not limited to the underground network. Trees also talk through the air. When a tree is attacked, say a giraffe nibbling on an acacia tree in Africa, within minutes, it starts to release special chemical gases into the air. These gases are called pheromones. They are like a silent scream, a chemical alarm that floats on the wind. It is a message that says, "Danger! We are under attack." This airborne message travels much faster than the signals sent through the fungal network, so nearby trees immediately begin to prepare their defenses. Acacias start pumping tannins and other bitter toxins into their leaves. Browsers notice and move on, often upwind to find trees not yet warned. The air is fast and wide. The soil is slower but more targeted and information-rich. A tree can even identify the exact type of pest attacking it, so neighbors mount tailor-made defenses. These incredible stories of tree communication are not just theories, they happen in real forests worldwide. In Canada, Suzanne Simard traced nutrients with isotopes and revealed the Wood Wide Web. Old Douglas firs acted as mother trees, sending carbon to shaded firs. and even to birch, seasonally. In Germany, a beech stump, felled centuries ago, remains alive, kept vital by neighbors feeding sugar through shared roots. Loyalty written in wood. In aspen groves, often one organism, warnings race through roots, and the whole stand responds as one. The forest is a dynamic society. Drama, support, ancient connections. Understanding forests as communicative societies changes how we care for the planet. Clear-cuts and monocultures silence networks and weaken resilience. Protect old-growth hubs. Favor selective logging. Keep the elders to nurture the young. Preserve diversity. Species support each other through the web. We are part of this larger web. Our well-being is tied to theirs. By protecting forests, we preserve ancient, communicating superorganisms for generations to come.
Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey today. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of the forest, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the wonders of our natural world. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. What was the most fascinating thing you learned today? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.